welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. I want to share with you some delicious and amazing cookies, snowball cookies made of walnut. I know you guys are going to love them. They are perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my hands are clean, my apron's on, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients, of course, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, walnuts, unsalted butter, powdered sugar, all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. This is everything we need to make this delicious and amazing snowball cookies of walnuts. You know something? This is the perfect weather. The holidays are here, and let's impress our families with this delicious snowballs cookies. So let's get started. I want to start with the walnuts. I have half of the walnuts here, and what I'm going to do, I need to crush them, have them nice and crushed. So I'm going to add them in here in this small little Ziploc. Of course, any bag is perfect because this is going to be my workout. I'm going to have you could add a rolling pin so you could break them apart, a cup, whatever you have handy. And then I'm just going to be crushing them until they are nice and crushed. This is done. And now I'm adding my all-purpose flour. I'm adding my walnuts, all crushed and delicious. I'm going to add them just in here. I'm going to add my vanilla extract. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons. Granulated sugar. I'm going to incorporate everything, making sure that everything is incorporated. And now I am ready to add the unsalted butter. Remember, when you're baking, always add your unsalted butter so that you have control of how much salt your family is taking. I love using unsalted butter for my baking. I added a pinch of salt, and now I am ready to start using my hands. I'm going to add some gloves, and then I'm ready to start kneading until it forms a ball of dough. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Just keep going. Everything is going to start sticking to each other. When you're able to make a ball just like this, pressing it like the way I'm doing it, then you are ready to start making the little kisses of cookies. This really doesn't take too long, and if you have little ones at home, well, you know something, invite them in the kitchen. Have them help you make these little balls of cookie. I have my baking dish here. I added a parchment paper, and now I am ready to make those little cookies. Of course, that you want to make sure that they're all almost the same size so they cook at the same time. When you start making the little cookies, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for about 12 to 13 minutes, no more than that. Remember, once you add them in the oven, don't open the oven door anymore. Leave them in there. They are completely done, and I got about 20 cookies. Now I am ready to put them in the oven, and I just can't wait to enjoy them. They come out perfect every time. Remember, 350 Fahrenheit. I'm going to put them in here, and then I'll see you back after the 12 or 13 minutes. The time went so fast that now I am done. I can't wait to enjoy these little snowball cookies. or as we call it, galletitas de nuez, besitos de nuez. Well, here I have the powdered sugar ready, and now I'm bringing them out of the oven. They're nice and hot, and I am ready. Look at this. They only get brown from the bottom, but when they are warm, be careful. Don't press on them too much or else they will break apart. When they are warm, that's when you want to add them to your powdered sugar. One by one, because they're going to really absorb and get covered with the powdered sugar. Once this is done, I have a plate here, and I'm going to start adding one by one until I am completely done. One of my sisters love adding it when it's hot, and then after 10-15 minutes, she puts them one more time in the powdered sugar so that they are completely covered. It all depends how you love them, how you love to enjoy them. Well, here I am going to put every single one at a time, until they're completely covered with this delicious powdered sugar. It really doesn't take too long, but you know something? You can enjoy these cookies year round. Here I am completely done. My mouth is watering and I can't wait to enjoy it. But I want to show you how they look from the inside. You could really see all the walnuts through the inside of the cookie. Look at this. My home smells amazing, and you could really see the walnuts, the little pieces of walnuts in the inside. You know something? I want to stop talking, and I really want to enjoy this delicious snowball cookie. So I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these delicious snowballs of walnuts. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. They're so easy to prepare. You could bring the little ones in the kitchen and have them help you when you're making these little kisses at home. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Delicious. These snowballs are perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make them at home. For the holidays, for the rainy days, these are perfect with coffee, with milk, you name it. When you bake at home, everything comes out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. See you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.